This is your Human Environmental Interaction Choice Board. We are working on the skill of using maps, satellite images, or photographs to explain relationships between locations of places and their cultural or environmental dynamics. We're working on using maps, satellite images, or photographs to explain cultural dynamics of a place, and then using maps, satellite images, or photographs to explain the environmental dynamics. So connecting a place in its human geography aspects or a place in its physical geography aspects using maps, satellite images, or other types of photographs to help with that. Your directions are right here. You need to complete 5 of the 9 activities. There are 3 columns, A, B, and C. In column A, which has this little green oval, you need to complete 2 activities. Column B has this blue oval. You need to complete 2 activities. And column C has this purpley or pinky, depending on how you look at it, oval. You need to complete 1 activity. You will turn in choices 1 through 5 on Google Classroom. The assignment names are HEI Choice Number, so HEI Choice Number 1, HEI Choice Number 2, etc. Your target pace is 1 activity per class period. These are the different topics that we'll look at in HEI. So in column A, human environmental interaction in general, human impacts, environmental impacts. Let me change that. Column B, pollution, deforestation, and climate change. And column C, overpopulation and overconsumption, access to food and food insecurity, and water access. I'm just going to go over 1 of these choices, but all 9 of these, so all 3 from column A, all 3 from column B, and all 3 from column C are going to be structured similarly. And by similarly, I mean the same, but they're going to have different content in them. So for human environmental interaction in column A, your task is to create an A to Z list on human environmental interaction after learning about what HEI is. How you're going to do that is right here. So number 1, you're going to look at this HEI Basics slideshow. Number 2, you're going to watch this Ed Puzzle video. His epic message will make you want to save the world, which is originally from National Geographic. Number 3, explore this interactive article, Maps Show Humans' Growing Impact on the Planet, which is also from National Geographic, so open this right up. Steps 1 through 3 has information that will explain, define, identify, and give examples of what human environmental interaction is. Making your A to Z list, which is what step 4 tells you to do, is going to be a lot easier and will make more sense and will be more accessible if you have done some of the learning and at least exposed yourself to the definitions, examples, connections, things like that in the slideshow, the video, and the article. When you are doing step 4, which is creating your A to Z list, you should have a topic and a title. So human environmental interaction, in this case I told you what it was, a word or phrase for every letter, and an explanation for each word or phrase. Step 5, turn in your A to Z list. And finally, supports that you can use while you are doing this. There is an A to Z list template right here. And then there's also an A to Z list example right here. It is on current events, so it is a different topic. All of your activities, all 9 choices right here, all 9 choices in all 3 columns, follow the same setup. Task, how to, with your learning materials in the first 1 to 3 steps, your task, what you're turning in, and supports that you have. So again, this is your HEI board. Here are your choices. Don't forget you have directions on slide 2. And the skill we are working on is using maps and satellite images to explain the human geography of a place or the environmental or the physical geography of a place.